Hi guys, today we're going to look at how to build reports in Kelloo. This is a super powerful feature but really simple to use. So let's dive in and take a look at reporting. First, select the report layout you want to use. Report layouts let you save a report as a template so you can rerun the report or share the layout with other users. Here we have a simple report showing a list of resources and their working days. Let's start by adding the project name onto the report. First, I select Fields to open the Fields panel. The field list on the left shows all the fields you can include in your report. If you drop a field into the filter area, this adds the field as a filter for the report. Drag a field into the rows area to create a summary level in your report. Drag a field into the columns area to add the field as a column. Fields added to the values area can be included on your report as things like totals, sums, counts, or averages. Let's start building this report by adding the project name as a summary level. I just drag the project name into the rows area and hit apply. And our report now includes the project name as a summary. Now let's add on cost as a data field by dragging the cost field into the value area. We now have cost as a data field on the report. Now we add the year quarter as a column so we can see how our data changes over time. And our report now splits the data by year quarter. Finally, let's add a filter to our report. We drag the role into the filter area to add it as a report filter. To set the filter criteria, select the cog against the role and choose which roles to include in the report. Our report is now filtered by the roles we selected. Now let's take a look at a couple of other cool features. Sometimes it can help to understand your data better as a chart, and you can do this by selecting a chart type. Hit the Options button to configure how things like totals and grand totals work on your report. And let me show you a feature that's kind of hidden away. Change the report to display in flat form and you can see all the data that makes up the report. If you need to export or print your report, just click the Export button. That's all for today guys. Happy reporting!